The flavors are popping. This is called cheating during the festive season. Nimesema nikwambia mwili asante. After the good work it has done, a full cup of dessert. Just 4 ingredients, 5 minutes to make, and you have your lovely dessert with you. Hello to a yes day. What about a whole yes festive season? Yes, that's right. So this whole festive season, you know, this is a time when it's more or less like a yes to everything. Ukona form, yes. Ukona dessert, yes. Ukona, I mean, that's the gist of the whole season. You have to be prepared to just say yes for everything. And this is the time you say thank you to our bodies. Unaambia mwili asante for all the good work, and this is when you indulge in those cheat days for every day of the month. That is what we're going to be making. A dessert that is very simple, very few ingredients. We can actually count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, only 4 ingredients, and you have your very sweet, lovely dessert right at the comfort of your home. And if you have a child or if you're a parent, this is something that your kids will also enjoy. So let's begin. So we have our mango over here, we have some Oreos, and then we have a cake over here, and then we have some ice cream. So the festive season, you always get a lot of cakes and all that. And just to plug myself, you can get the festive cakes directly from me. I'll leave a number over here that you can contact to get or to order your cakes, and also the link to the website where you can also order directly from there, and it will be delivered to you in Nairobi. And if you're not in Nairobi, it can be delivered to you wherever you are by public means. That is for the small portable cakes. Those ones are easily transportable for those outside also Nairobi. But if you're in Nairobi, there's delivery fee to other places. But to CBD this festive season, it's going to be free of charge. So karibu, let's enjoy and make this beautiful, yummy, delicious dessert. So we're just going to start with our mango. The mango is in season. You can actually substitute this with any fruit. The only gist is you can either use now the same flavor of the fruit, or you use vanilla ice cream. So for me, I'm just going to use vanilla ice cream. So if it's mango, you can use mango ice cream. If it's passion, you can use passion ice cream and the like. That helps balance out everything. So we're just going to begin by cutting our mango. So we have our mango over here. So we're just going to cut some slices. We're just cutting inside so that we just scoop out the pieces from inside. So we have our mango there, so we'll just scoop out those pieces. Then we have our cake, which we're going to also cut. So if you have leftover cake, that is what you can, this is how you can repurpose it for any dessert. Just going to cut it. So we have the cake over here. So if you have leftover cake, that's what you can do. So this is actually leftover cake. Just cut it into small pieces that you can easily enjoy. Just small pieces. So we'll transfer the cake pieces into a side plate. We just want small pieces. Something that is very simple to prepare. A very simple, quick and easy dessert. I wish I had a timer, but can be sure this is something that will take you less than 15 minutes to prepare and have everyone enjoying. So next we're just going to smash our biscuits. So it's just smashing it. We're just smashing it roughly. So that's it. So we have our biscuit ready as well. Now add everything into our dessert cups. So we're just going to start with some few cake slices. So a few of those cake pieces. Then next, just scoop our mangoes. So we're just going to scoop some of that. Mangoes are in season this festive season. If you're in Kenya, you already know the mangoes are already in season for the festive season, so you can use the mangoes. If you're not in Kenya, let me know where you're watching from and whether you're enjoying the festive series so far. Then we're just going to scoop some bit of the ice cream. And just top it up. Then add some bit of some of the cake again. Very quick and easy dessert that you can get to enjoy with the whole family this festive season. Then we add some bit of the mangoes again. So this is something that actually takes 5 minutes, not even 10, just 5. Then we add some bit of ice cream. Remember, it's the month of yes to everything, cheating on the diet. It's just that month to do all those guilty pleasures that we have been very disciplined all throughout the year. So we just add our ice cream there. Then finally just top it up with now the crushed biscuits. We're just going to top it up. And that is it. There you have it. Your full dessert ready to be enjoyed. So we better do the taste test before the ice cream melts so that you can just enjoy it as cold as it is. You can also make this beforehand and then store it in your fridge just as you wait for your guests. So cheers to a beautiful dessert. So let's have a taste test. But first we wash our hands so that we can enjoy it with clean hands. Finally, we can now do the taste test of our dessert. So we do the taste test. And make sure you get a bit of everything from the cake, the ice cream, to the bundles, to the biscuits. Can actually do this with mango ice cream or vanilla ice cream, but I can tell you the flavors are popping. This is called cheating during the festive season. Oh, this is truly cheating. A full cup of dessert. Anyway, tumesema ni kuambia mwili asante after the good work it has done throughout the year. Very simple. Just 4 ingredients, 5 minutes to make, and you have your lovely dessert with you. Thank you so much for enjoying. Remember to stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe and let me know where you're watching me from and what you're loving about this festive series so far. So till next time, hey, see you on the next one.